This is Sensawus. I will quickly deliver news about the Middle East war. This morning, the Iranian military launched an attack toward Kuwait. It is reported that drones and missiles were used in the attack. At that time, the United States announced that it had successfully intercepted all threatening targets heading toward Kuwait. However, local information released afterward contained details that differed from the US explanation. The Kuwait Civil Aviation Authority confirmed that part of Kuwait International Airport's terminal was damaged by Iran's drone and missile attack. At the scene, part of the facility was damaged by the impact of the explosion, and it was reported that airport operations were significantly disrupted. The airport authorities immediately initiated emergency response procedures. All flights were suspended, and aircraft heading to Kuwait were diverted to airports in neighboring countries or redirected to alternative airports. Passengers and staff inside the airport began emergency evacuations, and it is reported that access to some areas is still restricted. Numerous ambulances and fire trucks were sent to the airport area right after the accident, according to media reports. This attack caused casualties and several confirmed injuries, with the full extent of damage still being assessed. Some injured were hurt by impact and debris inside the airport. Kuwait health authorities have activated a medical support system to treat them. Kuwait's government is holding an emergency meeting with security agencies. The Kuwait military said they are monitoring the situation with relevant authorities and will take necessary actions to protect national security. They have reportedly raised the alert level for major military facilities and key infrastructure due to possible further attacks. This attack is viewed as further escalating tensions in the Middle East. After the United States claimed it intercepted all attacks, confirmation of airport damage raised questions about the air defense system's situation at that time. Currently, the Kuwaiti authorities are conducting a detailed investigation into the extent of the damage and the attack route. If there are further updates, I will make a video and upload it. That concludes the video. Thank you.
Ja.